The use of sand and cement for screeding is not only time-consuming, but also often lacks rigorous quality control. Additionally, it's back-breaking work and presents various health and safety challenges caused by constant kneeling, the shoveling of materials into mixers, and the damaging effects of cement on the skin. Even when the job's completed, the sand and cement take a long time to set, and there's a high probability of shrinkage, cracking, and curling. There is now a modern, effective alternative that overcomes all of these challenges and turns the laying of screed into an exact science. We would like to introduce you to the many benefits of Screedflo. Screedflo is a free-flowing calcium sulfate-based anhydride screed, which is increasingly being used as a high-quality, cost-effective alternative to traditional sand and cement screeds. Screedflo offers numerous benefits such as improved quality control, increased speed of installation, significant environmental benefits, major health and safety improvements, and finally, site logistic advantages. Quality control is ensured due to computer-controlled batching on-site. Also, as a secondary measure, every pour is subjected to slump tests before and during pouring to verify the correct viscosity and mix. In addition, every week sample prisms are taken from a batch and sent to Trada Technology for independent confirmation of the structural and compressive strength of the screed. Consequently, Screedflo undergoes quality control checks far superior to those of conventional sand and cement screed. Screedflo is, in fact, the only screed in the country to have a CE mark for both the binder used and the batch screed. Prior to pumping, the screed floor needs to be prepared. The preparation varies depending on the requirements of the floor, but at its most basic, it consists of a polythene tanking membrane and a perimeter isolation strip. Once the preparation's done, tripods are put in place, set to the required depth of the screed. These are then leveled using a laser level to the required datum supplied by the site management. Once the tripods are all leveled, the screed pour can begin, with a typical apartment of 65 square meters being screeded in just 20 minutes. Once the screed is poured, dappling bars are used to remove any surface imperfections such as tide marks or air bubbles. This gives a perfectly smooth surface. As you can see, the process is appreciably quicker than conventional screeding, involves fewer health and safety issues, and is mess-free. What's more, you usually don't have to do anything further to the finished surface such as sanding. With Screedflo, there is minimal waste. It is batched and poured to the customer's requirements, and the little waste which is left is inert and can be disposed of in a general waste skip. In fact, Screedflo is an extremely environmentally friendly product, as the binder used consists of the recycled waste from flue gas desulfurization at coal-fired power stations. Also, as Screedflo is batched on site, it uses 30% less water than alternative screeds. Screedflo is ideal for use with underfloor heating systems, as the free-flowing nature of the screed means that it fully encapsulates the cables or water pipes. It can be used with any type of underfloor heating system, though a clear depth of 30 millimeters of screed must be maintained above the cables or pipes. Finally, once the Screedflo is poured, it can usually be walked on after just 24 hours, depending on ambient conditions.
The main advantage we're finding is the speed. As in the wagon turns up, it's poured within what we need doing within a day. 48 hours later, it's gone up enough for us to walk on, get some sort of idea of the quality that's been laid. We have no issues so far. It drives to a nice, clear, smooth surface because it's self-levelling. You have a slight tamping off as it's poured, but if we do have any issues, it's polished out, no problems at all. It prevents the use now of kneeling down. It's all stood up works. It's all hosed in. There's no kneeling down as per your sand cement screeds.
So, next time you're specifying screeding, experience the considerable benefits of Screedflo.